Hi, in this session we are going to see about how to do off-page optimization. So in this video we are going to see about what is off-page optimization and what are the factors which affects the off-page optimization and what are the different types of backlinks to do off-page optimization. So what is off-page optimization or what is off-page SEO? So off-page optimization refers to all the measures that can be taken outside of the actual website in order to improve its keyword position in search rankings. These measures help us to create high quality backlinks to our website. So in simple way, off-page optimization refers to getting of high quality backlinks to your website in direct way or indirect way. We have different types of backlinks. So there are two types of backlinks: do follow backlink and no follow backlink. So do follow backlink. So what is do follow backlinks? So crawler will crawl the link and count that link as a backlink is called as a do follow backlink. No follow backlinks. Crawler will crawl the link and does not count that link as a backlinks. So what is this crawler? So crawler is nothing but which index your website, what to crawl and what not to crawl in your website. So this is about the no follow and do follow backlinks, and we need to remember that we need to get as many as do follow backlinks than no follow backlinks. Now before submitting any backlinks to your website, we need to check all these three important factors. So the page rank, domain authority and the relevancy. So the page rank scale is from 0 to 10 and domain authority scale is from 1 to 100 and relevancy is nothing but the same website. Now as I've said you that we need to remember the three important points. So the page rank scale should be more than 3 plus to submit our information in other websites, and domain authority scale should be more than 40. So why this 3 plus page rank and why this domain authority more than 40 plus? So to get high quality backlinks to your website, so if you are submitting our information in other websites, if that website is having high information related or high traffic related, then we can get a high quality backlinks. So now what is relevancy? So relevancy is nothing but the same kind of website. Now let's example, if I have an education related website, so I need to submit my information only in education related website, not in entertainment related sites. So if you are submitting our information in a irrelevant kind of website, we get a backlink, but it is not a quality backlink. So we need to remember that we need to give a relevant kind of backlink or information in our website. So now there are 11 important link building factors, or we can also say that there are 11 factors to do off-page optimization. So directory submission, social bookmarking, forum submission, classifieds, article submission sites, blog commenting, RSS feeds, PDF submission or PPT submission or document sharing, or it is image sharing, search engine submissions. This can also be called as Web 2.0, and video submissions. So these are the 11 important factors to do off-page optimization. So in coming next session, we are going to see the practical how to submit our website information in all these 11 factors. Thank you.